Hey everyone! Today I'm cleaning the microwave in a quick and satisfying 28-second routine. First, I open the door and wipe away loose crumbs and food splashes from inside. Then I spray a gentle cleaner and let it work on the dried stains. Next, I scrub the inner walls and turntable carefully, making sure every corner is clean. After that, I wipe everything with a damp cloth and finish with a dry wipe for a fresh shine. In the end, the microwave looks clean, odor-free, and ready to use again.